back to Let's Be Adventurous.
That's Megan, and I'm Chad. And today we got a quick video for you guys. We're going to give you 3 easy, quick packing tips that save us every time we pack for a camping trip. So I guess we'll jump right into it. What's our first one?
Packing cubes.
These things.
Yes, so we are trying to come up with better solutions on how to keep them organized, because they do kind of get a little chaotic and everything, but they're perfect for the little kids, and like especially for like, you know, longer trips and everything. Just kind of throw everything in there, and we all have them color coordinated.
Yeah, each person has a different color, so if, let's say the 2 kids have to share one space for their clothes, we know whose is whose and we can grab them real quick. These ones from Amazon actually have like a little identifier in them. Like the shirts and pants ones are bigger, and then like the underwear and sock one has a smaller container. Here you go. You want yours?
Packed underwear.
Oh, we packed underwear for you.
No. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. She doesn't want to wear underwear. All right, and our second one. Okay, our second one is these. What are these?
Totes, like Sterilite totes.
Okay, hold on. I'll set that again. And the second one is the Sterilite tote. We put all of our bathroom stuff in this. And then in between trips, we take it inside the house and put it in the closet. Just because here in Missouri, it gets pretty hot in between trips. And we've had like deodorant, other things that have been melted. Batteries, flashlights with like corroded batteries. So everything's kind of packed in the totes, and we bring it in between the trips.
And we usually just kind of stock it in the beginning of the season. Like we'll just buy like a fresh new toothpaste, new contact solution, and everything, and just keep it in there. So
my toothbrush in there.
Yeah, Lena's got her toothbrush packed.
Oh yeah, she's got her toothbrush and everything packed in here.
It's in the pink. It's in this one. She's got a big toothbrush.
Oh, you got a big girl toothbrush?
Yeah.
Look at you go. You're an all-star. Okay.
One.
And then our third and final tip is doing a grocery pickup. Whether it's Walmart, whatever grocery store you have. It's pretty simple, especially if your camper's like at a storage lot somewhere. You can just easily grab your groceries, have them load them in your car, and then show up to your camper, throw them in your refrigerator or cooler or whatever you have. And it's, you know, it's simple. And the cool thing is, once you've bought the stuff and had it in your cart, to reorder that same stuff, it's pretty easy, right?
Mm-hmm. Super easy.
So if
so we'll just order what we need for the trip and base our meals off of it and everything. And I mean, we always usually forget something, so I don't know how helpful it is, but
it's okay.
Have gravy.
You have gravy?
Yeah.
With what, biscuits and gravy?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, did
like
you order
that?
gravy?
No.
Okay, I'll order gravy. Okay.
I need.
Okay, you need it. Okay.
Okay. Okay,
Camping
you need
trip,
that for
okay.
the camping trip?
Okay, sounds good.
Gotcha.
Morning.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, so that's our three easy packing tips. You know, like Megan said, we always usually forget something. So it's not unusual for us to have to run out to Walmart or any kind of grocery store when we're on a trip. It never fails. But those are our tips, and have.
But hopefully, as the kids get older, they can start packing their own stuff, right?
Yeah.
What else are you gonna pack? Toys.
Did you pack your toys? You don't
Your
have toys in your bunk?
stuff.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What did you pack?
That.
stuff.
Yeah. See, she's already on it. Hopefully, the older she gets, the easier it gets.
Alright.
But hey guys, well, that's it. That's all we got for you today. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, and share us to all your friends. All right, see you later. Happy camping.